Hello and welcome to Appy Friday. Last week we did a part 1 from CES, which is the Consumer Electronics Show. This week is the part 2 of that. So first up is IKEA. So not an electronics brand, surprisingly, but IKEA the last couple of years has started to do a bit more in the smart home environment, and they unveiled a couple of smart blinds at CES. So these are electronic blinds that you can sort of control and make go up and down and open and close. So they just look like normal ones, and the beauty of these is they're battery controlled, battery powered. So it comes with a really tiny remote that you can obviously just open and close the blinds with, but you can also connect it to an app and other sort of voice activated services, so the home hubs and that kind of thing. So you can set your blinds to open and close at particular times of day. So next up is KitchenAid. So again, this brand, as the name suggests, they have electronics for your kitchen. So they unveiled a 10-inch tablet, so like a big iPad specifically for your kitchen. So it has Google Assistant already built in, and you can do it for sort of recipes and that kind of stuff, and obviously voice control in a kitchen environment is great. As well as using it for recipes, you can of course use it for sort of watching TV or videos and music and those kinds of things. GE were there as you'd expect. They have a line called C by GE, which is a bit of a confusing name, but what this thing is, it's all around building smart homes, and they announced a light bulb. Doesn't sound very exciting, but this light bulb is voice controlled, it's Bluetooth, it has colour changes so you can make it whatever colour you want. It's all controlled by an app, or you can control it with things like Alexa. So these are a great little device because they don't need the full hub. So if you're just new to smart homes and just want to have a dabble and have a try, then they're a pretty cool little device to sort of start that journey with. Next up is the Kate Spade Scallop 2. That might not mean anything to you, but it's a smartwatch. So obviously there was a version 1, because this is called version 2, and this is just building on that. So this now has a sort of swim-proof design, so you don't have to take it off when you go swimming, obviously, so it's sort of waterproof. It also has Google Pay integrated, so you can leave the house without your phone, without your wallet, and you can still pay for things using your watch. The overall look and feel of this product is very, very premium. So it's not like some of these smartwatches that are a bit clunky and don't look great. Under Armour were there, but they've sort of done a collaboration. They're more known for sort of sports clothing, but they've done a collaboration with JBL, and they have some wireless headphones. As you'd expect for a sports brand, these are very much aimed at sports people and for doing exercise. So with that in mind, they're properly water resistant. They've got really long battery life, something like 5 hours, so they're great for running and those kinds of things. So that's it for Appy Friday this week. As I said, that was the part 2 of the CES announcements, and that's it for this year from that particular show anyway. As you've probably seen, the overall sort of feel of all these shows is that the smart home devices and that marketplace is really strong, and voice control as well. They were the sort of 2 big takeaways of CES this year, that so many products are getting things like Google Assistant built into them now. So that's it for Appy Friday this week. Hope you found that useful, and do leave us any comments below.